Smell the butter and the sugar. White chocolate fudge, I'm literally addicted to this stuff. Like, you get it in fancy restaurants and it's just sweet, buttery goodness, and I love it. I'm going to be putting a little bit of a twist on this with a little hint of white miso. So it's a sweet miso that I'm going to be using, and I'm so excited because I don't actually buy this stuff because I normally eat it all in one go. This recipe is super simple, but you are going to need a little thermometer or a probe just to make sure that the sugar is at the correct temperature. Put a large saucepan on the stove and you're going to be putting in sugar and glucose. I'm using brown sugar here, but you can use white sugar as well. Also whack in your cream, and that's all going to bring to the boil. And we're going to take that to exactly 113. I'm just going to leave that on the side to heat up, and I'm going to be lining a little baking sheet with cling film. Now once it gets to about 100, it'll come up to temperature quite quickly, so you just got to keep an eye on it, and you want it. This is exactly 113, so I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to add in a load of white chocolate and butter. Smell the butter and the sugar. You just want to mix that all through. And then we're going to stick in about a tablespoon of miso. Look at this. We're going to pour this over into our tray. And we're just going to allow that to cool in the fridge until it's fully set. Once your fudge is set, take it out of the fridge and transfer it to your bench. And we're going to chop it up into guys. So I'm literally addicted to fudge, and I'm going to taste it now, but this looks and smells delicious. It's chewy, it's buttery, and it's got that hint of miso, which almost makes it like salted caramel fudge. It's delicious. It's just got that right level of sweetness. I mean, I could eat all of this, and I probably will do in a bit. This is probably the perfect treat to finish off a dinner party. It will have your guests like absolutely blown away. Love it. It's super simple to make, really quick, and it's just going to be like a recipe to impress. If you made this recipe, I'd love to see it, so make sure you tag @Philli and I will make sure to share it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to keep up to date on all my new recipes, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep cooking and see you later.